If you're someone that uses the Reminders app quite a lot like I do, you'll be glad to know there's a brand new way of adding things into the app right from the control center on your iPad. That means you can add things no matter what you're doing on the screen. You haven't got to close the app and come back to Reminders. You can just use Control Center. So if I pull down from the top right-hand corner to open up my Control Center, you're going to see a button at the bottom that says New Reminder. You can add this to your Control Center as well by pressing the plus button in the top left-hand corner and then pressing Add a Control at the bottom. From here, just search for Reminders and you'll find it coming up straight away. And so when I press on this new button in Control Center, I'll get this little overlay at the top of my screen. And from here, I can simply type in whatever I want to be reminded of. I'm going to add some bananas to my shopping list, and when I press the tick, it's as simple as that. It's now in Reminders for me. But the other thing we can do with this button is we can actually long press on it, and then we can add it to one of our recently used lists, and it will open up Reminders for me to that particular place. And even though I'm in Reminders, I can still go back to my Control Center, I can press New Reminder again, and this time we can add something else to our shopping list. I'm going to put on there cheese. And you might have noticed you can actually change the list you're adding to by using the little drop-down menu at the top. And we can also add a reminder based on time or location, as well as flagging the reminder if it's particularly important. For me, cheese is very important. I'll make sure it's flagged. And then when I press the tick, it will add to the app. And if I jump to the shopping list section in Reminders, you can see my items are there that I've just added. And this is one of the smaller features in iPadOS 26, but it does make things a little bit easier and a little bit quicker if you're a Reminders power user. But there's loads of other things that are brand new for your iPad. So please do check out my YouTube channel down below, and you'll see lots more things about iPadOS 26. I'll see you next time.